Welcome to English Boosters channel.
Hello, my family. My name is Anna. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. This video is a good way to practice your English listening and speaking. Are you ready? Let's start. My alarm rings at 6 o'clock in the morning. The sound is loud, but the room is quiet. I am lying in my bed under a warm blanket. The morning light comes through the window and touches my face. I stretch my arms slowly and take a deep breath. I feel sleepy, but I know I must wake up. A new day is starting, and I have work to do. I stay still for a moment and listen to the alarm. Then I tell myself, get up, this day matters. I smooth out the sheets and pull the warm blanket tight against the mattress. Standing with my hands on my hips, I smile at the tidy bed I've just made. This simple act makes my room feel organized and my mind feel clear. One small win down, I say, ready to face the bigger tasks ahead. I stand before the mirror and brush my teeth. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me the last bit of sleepiness disappear. I look myself in the eyes. See a person who is ready to take on whatever the day brings. I stand tall and tell my reflection. You are strong, you are capable, and you've got this. I sit at the wooden table and eat my toast. 2 fried eggs, sliced bread, and a steaming cup of tea. It provides the energy I need for my hard work. I finish my meal and tell myself now, I am ready to start my day. I hold my warm cup of tea and open my notebook to a fresh page. I read over my list of goals. In reminding myself exactly why I put in so much effort every single day. I takes a slow sip of my tea and whispers to myself. I stand in front of my open closet. I look at my clothes and feel ready for a productive day.
Almost ready for school. There, perfect! Okay, backpack, down you go. Now for the mirror. There we go.
I walk toward the bus stop. I keep a steady pace. Tell myself, everything I do today brings me closer to my goals. I stand at the busy bus stop and watch the people around me as I wait. Everyone looks busy with their own day, just like I am. I see the bus approach in the distance. While I keep a positive smile on my face.
Yes, the bus is here now.
Thank you!
I sit by the window on the bus and look at the city passing by. I feel calm and happy as I watch the morning light on the buildings. I smile to myself because I know today is going to be great. I have arrived at school and stood at the classroom door for a quiet moment. My teacher has greeted me warmly. I have entered the bright room. I have told myself that I have prepared well for everything today. I have taken my seat then listened carefully to my teacher's explanation. I have raised my hand because I have wanted to participate. I understand everything today. I have found a quiet bench in the school courtyard to have enjoyed my lunch break. I have chosen to read my book because preferred learning over wasting my time. Other students have played in the background. I have used every spare moment to grow and improve. I have walked out of the school building after my classes have ended for the day. I have felt very tired. I have also felt proud of the effort I have made. I have boarded the bus. My favorite seat by the window to reflect. I have thought about my long day. Every small effort has moved me forward. I have arrived home as the sun has begun to set. I have stepped off the bus. My front door with a peaceful heart. My home has always given me the strength. I have needed to face a new day. I have taken off my school uniform. I have put on my favorite comfortable blue sweater. I have tied my hair up in a ponytail to help me focus on the evening ahead. I have helped my mother in the kitchen and have felt the warmth of the evening. We have talked about our day. I have laughed together while working at the counter. The steam has risen from the pot as we have prepared a delicious meal. I have realized that spending time with her. My mom given me even more happiness and strength. The family has gathered around the wooden table for a warm evening meal. I have sat with my parents and brother. We have shared stories about our day. I have felt so lucky because my family has always supported me and my dreams. I have finished writing my reflections. Now I have stood by the window to look at the last light of the day. I have watched as the sun has dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of pink and gold. The sky will rise again tomorrow with new opportunities that I have prepared for. I have turned off the bedside lamp. I have lain down in my quiet room. The room is dark and peaceful. I close my eyes and take a deep breath. I have felt very tired after such a long day, but I have also felt deeply satisfied. I have fallen asleep peacefully as the moonlight has filtered through the window. I know tomorrow is a new chance. I have known in my heart that I have tried my absolute best today. I smile a little and say to myself, "Good night, Anna." And then I go to sleep.
Thanks for watching.